starry night sat two lovers, happy and carefree and gay, as they dreamed of that little old homestead they would build in the old-fashioned way. With her head on his breast, she had told him she would honor and cherish his love, to hold sacred the vows she had made him, and be true as the stars up above. She kissed him goodbye in the moonlight, and the tears in her eyes as she said, God bless you and keep you, my lover, and come back soon, your darling, to wed. Light-hearted and free, he walked homeward, determined his fortune to gain, to return in the spring he had promised, I'll be with you when the roses bloom again. For many long years she has waited, her heart crying out for him each day, while he in a far distant prison has wasted his young life away. It was all on account of some money taken from the place where he worked. For the blame it was all thrust upon him, and he just an innocent clerk. 20 years he had spent in this prison, his life filled with sorrow and shame. Then one day came the warden and told him that he was a free man again. One eve as she sat in the garden, 'twas spring and the roses bloomed again. She was thinking of her absent lover, and the promise he made her in vain. The dew had fallen on the roses, the night birds were singing their sweet tunes, when a stranger came slowly down the pathway and paused by her side in the gloom. Her eyes were aglow when she saw him. She flew at once to his embrace, the past with its sorrows forgotten, the light of love in her face. With her head on his breast, she had told him she would honor and cherish his love, to hold sacred the vows she had made him, and be true as the stars up above.